Okay, so here is the executive outline in action. Alright, now here's our map. There's Venus, there's Earth, there's the Moon, Mars, Jupiter, Europa, Ganymede, Saturn, and Cleotis, right? Now, our first mission is to get the orcs over Venus, pumping full tanks of fuel for us using an RSDV to ship those tanks of fuel to the moon. On the moon, we have a concrete production facility. Right? And it produces our cruiser. Now our cruiser has those man-power turbines, the zero-gravity turbines there in the center, and it's got the 2 gravity decks, and then, you know, it's going to have a bunch of fuel tanks depending on how fast it goes, and then there's the command module, right? So it's going to carry all these type of fuel tanks, right? Sorry, I flipped them over. I should have put things on the back too. Alright, so we got orcs, RSDV shipping the fuel, concrete production facilities at the moon, and then our cruiser that can go around doing any missions. Now our cruiser is going to go from there. It's going to take us to Europa, where it builds an ice water mine on that world. Then it's going to go back, and then it's going to go to Ganymede. After refueling, it's going to build an ice water mine on Ganymede. Then it's going to go to Enceladus. And on Enceladus, it's going to also drop an ice water mine. So we have 3 ice water mines. And we're still using the same ship. So now he comes back to our base on the moon. Right? These are all our production facilities. Okay? So now and anywhere there's another rocky moon, like say that one. Oh, look, we found a rocky moon. Let's put a concrete production facility there. Right? Now, we're going to have this RSDV is still transporting all the fuel supplies to the moon. Right? Okay, this RSDV is transporting fuel. It's transporting life. It's transporting concrete, fuel, life, and concrete, you know, and water from all these different resources. It's a train. It's a train that's transporting this stuff. Now, later on, our cruiser is going to carry the orcs with it. And the concrete production facilities with it. And the ice water mining facilities with it. And it's going to go to other worlds. Say we find another gas giant. It's going to drop an Oryx in another star system. It's going to drop that Oryx. We find a water ice moon. It's going to drop the ice water mine. We find a rocky world. It's going to drop the concrete production facilities, repair itself, build new ships. And it's going to carry catapults and, most of all, harpoons. In space, harpoons are awesome because they allow us to catch stuff, you know? So I was gaming the post a little bit with all this stuff, and I figured out that, you know, there's, well, I don't know. I don't really need to talk about that one right now.